Hi, I'm Kai, your modern green goddess, and today we're going to unveil the Beauty Counter holiday collection for winter holiday 2020. I'm so excited to bring you this video. I've been waiting to dig into this stuff until this day, so here we go. So, full disclosure, I had a cute fuzzy white sweater that said be merry, be bright, and all of that stuff, but it's 800 degrees in my studio and I couldn't do it today. So muscle tee version it is. Hope you guys are as excited as I am to dive into some of these goodies. So I'm just gonna pull like what's in front of me. So this is the first thing. First of all, can we take a moment for this beautiful packaging? So you slide it open, and it is the Beauty Counter Beyond Gloss Trio. So Beauty Counter just came out with brand new glosses called Beyond Gloss that have sustainable vanilla in them. And these are 3 brand new colors only available through the holiday collection. They also have a beautiful mandarin violet scent. So they come in 3 shades. They come in Iris Shimmer, which is this guy, Wild Berry, which is this guy, and Iris Shimmer, which is this one over here. So I have swatched them for you. This is the Iris Shimmer. This is the Berry. Is it called Wild Berry or Berry Shimmer? Let me look. Yeah, Wild Berry Shimmer. And this is the Lilac Shimmer. So these are the 3 shades, and I'm actually wearing the Wild Berry on my lips today, and I'm super obsessed, and I hope that they keep it in the line permanently. The top one is also really cool. It has like blue and purple flecks. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really fun, interesting color. So excited to dive into all of these. These retail for $49 for all 3. These are full size, and a regular one is like 30 bucks. So really, really good deal. So this is our second one. Oh, this packaging though. This is the Bright Side Duo. This retails for $75, and you're getting basically Beauty Counter's 2 miracle workers in one package. This product right here is my favorite Beauty Counter product of all time, and this is the Counter Plus All Bright Vitamin C Serum. It brightens with camu and turmeric, and if you're really, really sensitive, you know how drying and irritating vitamin C serums can be. This one does not do any of that, but it's super effective. And then it comes with the overnight resurfacing peel, which is also a Beauty Counter bestseller. It's going to completely resurface the skin, helps with scarring, acne, etc. You put it on at night, you wake up with perfect skin. I also use this on my hands and feet, and I've seen great results. Absolutely love that. Great gift. Look at this guy. So this is the next thing. This is the Polish and Protect Lip Duo. We had this last year, but now we just have it in this cute updated packaging, and it retails for, sorry guys, $34. So good price point. I have this already because I have one from last year and I'm still using it, and I love it. But this year it comes in this beautiful white packaging. It is a really effective, beautiful sugar lip scrub. Beauty Counter excels at scrubs, you guys, so definitely try this out. And then look how beautiful the lip balm is. So this is the same formula as our original beautiful lip balm, but instead of it being in the dip pot, it comes in this beautiful roller, which is really nice, especially during COVID, you know? Okay, so this is one of my most anticipated, exciting things. Again, beautiful burgundy kind of oxblood plum packaging, and when you slide it out, this is the Golden Hour face palette. It's a complete face palette. It retails for $68. It says you clean up nice, which I thought was really cute. So this is a whole face palette. You have eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight. I'm actually wearing the complete face palette right now. I have on the Horizon blush. I have the Beam highlight on right now, and on my eyes I'm wearing this color called Shadow all over my lid and into my crease, and I'm wearing Ray in the inner corner. Super pretty palette. I also really like how they have this kind of like slide situation with the mirror. Really convenient and protects it from getting broken. This is something I buy every single year. I actually buy multiples and I just use them all year. This is the, super pretty, right? The Good Sense Hand Cream Trio. Look at that. This retails for $34, and I'll tell you, last year it retailed for $34 too, and it was half the product. So they're giving us double the product this year with 3 gorgeous scents. So I'm really, really excited about this. I love the Beautycounter hand cream, but I just think that it's too big. So I really like that I can buy those little sizes and then use them all year. So this next guy comes in, sorry, I'm like already opening it, this pretty red box, and it is these mini body butters. If you've ever seen me do a video before, you know how big a fan of the body butters I am from Beautycounter. They're super healing. My husband and I both have really sensitive skin, and he has eczema, and we've had great experiences with them. So I'm gonna open these. The hand creams and these are the exact same scents. That's why I didn't open those, just to save time. So this is the scent in Uplift, which is nice. It's very subtle, smells a little bit kind of like orange. The body butter in Calm. It's got this pretty burgundy label. I love the colors this year. It smells kind of lavendery, lilac lavendery, pretty nice. And then the third one is in Balance, which comes in this bright, fun, almost kind of red orange, and that one's really, really subtle. You can barely smell it, but I love the size of these. I think that these are make great kind of bedside creams. If you're a person that likes to have lotion near your bed, I do. And then you can also break them up, give them as gifts, or you can just keep them for yourself. So this stunning package is next, and these are the jellies. So we had these last year, but obviously we had them in different colors and different scents. They were very, very popular. So you get 5 lip glosses. I believe these are also $34. They're $39 for the jellies. And then just for the hand cream, I think I already told you the hand cream. I wanted to tell you the body butter duo. Sorry guys, it's the body butter duo is $49. This is all not planned. So you get all of these. These are basically clear, you guys, except for like ones that are slightly darker. They might give you a little bit of tint, but they're basically clear. But what makes these different is that the amount of shine that they have and the scent. So they come in cocoa, honey, peppermint, caramel, and sorbet. And so just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, I swatched. This is cocoa, which is the darkest, this guy right here. So you can see it does have a little bit of color, but it's very sheer. So the darker ones are going to give you some color, but for the most part they're sheer. It's mainly the scent and the super high shine that you're getting from those. So if you can see the difference, like this is definitely like a more super lacquery, like a thicker gloss versus these glosses. And the gift that I really, really, really was excited about is this one. This is the last one I'm going to show you today. This is the Ultimate Renewal Bath Set. You guys know I'm team self-care, so this is right up my alley. So if you guys can see this, hopefully I can fit myself in here. It comes with a dry brush. So you guys know that I'm a big Ayurveda person. So it comes with a dry brush. It comes with our sugar scrub. And if you don't know this about me, I'm obsessed with our sugar scrub, but it's a new whipped formula. So instead of the oil grain formula, it's like a whipped mousse. And then it comes with this beautiful oil that I sniffed earlier, and it's got like a faint rose scent to it. It's gorgeous, like a very modern rose, not like grandma rose. I really liked it. I love the shimmer. It wasn't too greasy. I'm super excited about this. I treated myself to one, and you should too. And that is all I have for you. We have even more on the website. So go ahead and check out my website to get more information. And I'm so excited to bring this. Talk to you soon. Bye.